The Apple Watch SE, 2nd Gen, GPS 40mm, is the perfect blend of style and functionality, featuring a sleek Starlight aluminum case and a comfortable Starlight Sportband S/M. This smartwatch is your ultimate fitness and health companion, offering advanced features such as heart rate monitoring, daily activity tracking, and sleep analysis. Stay safe with built-in crash detection and stay motivated with easy access to notifications, music controls, and a wide range of apps directly from your wrist. The Apple Watch SE, 2nd Gen, helps you stay connected and on top of your health goals, making it an essential accessory for anyone looking to enhance their active lifestyle. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just seeking to stay organized, this smartwatch offers the perfect balance of performance and convenience. The Fitbit Versa 4 fitness smartwatch is designed to elevate your fitness journey with its comprehensive health and wellness features. This sleek smartwatch, available in black/graphite, includes both small and large bands to ensure a perfect fit for any wrist size. With built-in GPS, you can track your outdoor activities with precision, while the 24/7 heart rate monitoring keeps you informed about your cardiovascular health. The daily readiness score helps you understand when you're ready to exercise or need to rest, optimizing your workout schedule. With over 40 exercise modes, the Versa 4 supports a wide range of activities, from running and biking to yoga and swimming. Sleep tracking provides insights into your sleep patterns, helping you improve your rest and recovery. Additionally, the watch offers smart notifications, music control, and access to a variety of apps, making it a versatile companion for both fitness and everyday life. Enhance your health and stay connected with the Fitbit Versa 4. The Military Smartwatch for Men is a rugged and reliable outdoor sports smartwatch. With its large 1.96-inch display, it's designed for durability and versatility. This smartwatch features comprehensive fitness tracking, including blood oxygen monitoring, heart rate tracking, and sleep analysis, ensuring you stay on top of your health. One of its key highlights is the ability to answer and make calls directly from the watch, providing unparalleled convenience. It's compatible with both iPhone and Android phones, ensuring seamless connectivity. The fitness watch supports multiple sports modes, perfect for tracking various activities like running, cycling, and hiking. Additional features include smart notifications, weather updates, and music control, making it a multifunctional device for everyday use. The Military Smartwatch for Men combines robust design with advanced technology, making it an essential gadget for any outdoor enthusiast or fitness lover. Stay connected and maintain a healthy lifestyle with the smartwatch for women featuring Alexa built-in. This 1.95-inch fitness tracker allows you to answer and make calls, set reminders, and check weather updates using voice commands. The IP68 waterproof design ensures durability during workouts and daily activities. With comprehensive heart rate and sleep tracking, you can monitor your health and sleep quality effortlessly. Offering 100 sport modes, this smartwatch tracks a wide range of activities, from running to yoga. Compatible with both Android and iOS, it seamlessly integrates into your daily routine, combining style, functionality, and advanced technology for the modern woman. Discover the perfect blend of style and functionality with the Garmin Vivoactive 5, a health and fitness GPS smartwatch designed to elevate your active lifestyle. Its stunning AMOLED display ensures clear and vibrant visuals, making it easy to read your stats and notifications on the go. Equipped with advanced health monitoring features, it tracks your heart rate, sleep patterns, stress levels, and more, providing a comprehensive overview of your well-being. The Vivoactive 5 excels in fitness tracking with built-in GPS, accurately recording your outdoor activities like running, cycling, and hiking. It boasts an impressive battery life of up to 11 days, allowing you to stay connected and motivated without the hassle of frequent charging. Its sleek black design is not only stylish but also comfortable for all-day wear. Whether you're an avid athlete or just looking to improve your health, the Garmin Vivoactive 5 is the ultimate companion for achieving your fitness goals. Elevate your wellness journey with the Fitbit Sense 2, an advanced health and fitness smartwatch packed with cutting-edge features to help you manage stress, monitor sleep, and stay active. The sleek lunar white/platinum design combines elegance with functionality, making it a stylish accessory for any occasion. The Fitbit Sense 2 offers a comprehensive suite of health monitoring tools, including an ECG app for heart health, SpO2 tracking for blood oxygen levels, and 24/7 heart rate monitoring. Its advanced stress management features provide real-time insights, helping you maintain mental well-being through guided breathing sessions and stress notifications. Equipped with built-in GPS, the Sense 2 accurately tracks your outdoor activities, whether you're running, biking, or hiking. Its sleep tracking capabilities offer detailed analysis of your sleep patterns, helping you improve your rest and overall health. With a long-lasting battery life, you can rely on the Sense 2 to keep up with your busy lifestyle without frequent recharging. Included in the package are both small and large bands, ensuring a perfect fit for all wrist sizes. The Fitbit Sense 2 is not just a smartwatch, it's your personal health companion, dedicated to helping you achieve a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the information helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and reviews.